Ooh, feels great out here. All right, so it's Wednesday morning. Ryan Williams just texted me and to let me know that there's a Cobra / DT500 meet just like a mile up the road. So we're gonna hop in the old Cobra and take a cruise up there. Bradley and Andrew aren't gonna come with. I think they went to go get breakfast somewhere while I was in the shower. So, but that's okay. We're going to the Cobra meet. They're gonna be jealous. Is that a tutu? Yeah, that's a tutu, right?
Dude, this lineup right here, it's crazy.
I know, I was kind of hurt that they didn't let me park here. What's going on, man? Dude, this was bags.
That's what I was about to say. It looks too low to not be on bags.
These on the bags, dude. We saw this one last night.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here's Ryan's car. Iconic. Got the twin turb skis. I really love the purple on his valve covers. This is what we're going to do on Preston's car. We need 4 valve swaps, the old 2 valve. This one's nice. I love when you see a Whipple in gloss black. It looks so good. I miss the chrome valve covers. What's that?
So I had to do something that's a little different.
I love it.
I appreciate it. It means a lot.
Got the Vimp. The older Cobra with the Terminator seats. That's pretty sick.
No way it's not on bags. You just have to lift it all the way up.
Oh, okay. Shit off right. And I was like, hey, while I'm here, clean the trailer too. Clean the trailer.
This is a Cobra R. The white Whipple. Looks like a 2-3 liter. I agree. Y'all got all the Terminators out here, man. And some Shelbys too. My kind of car meet, not gonna lie to you. It's better than last night at Beaver Bar with all the naturally aspirated coyotes revving to the moon. Yep. No one cares.
Way better.
No one cares. It's like all the squatted truck owners sold their squatted trucks because they couldn't have them anymore. Went and bought coyotes, and now they just put courses on it and just rev it at Beaver Bar. All right, so the Terminator meet was sick. It was really cool to see and meet a couple of people. Got back to the hotel, chilled for a few minutes, and now I think we're gonna go wash the Cobra. You'll see all over my hood, there's still a bunch of plastics on it from when we did our bumper repair. If you want to give them an update on the bumper repair, by the way, this is what she's looking like right now. Pretty mint, honestly, considering this whole thing was like that, and my headlight was like somewhere down in there. Guys, it's Friday. The car show is awesome this morning. I filmed the things that I thought were important to my viewers and people that are visiting my channel. I didn't want to like film too much of what they filmed, and also I just wanted to have a good time. So there's still a couple hours left in the day. Friday, we pack out, then we leave tomorrow. So let's get into some last minute shenanigans before we have to go home.
Out of it, brother. What happened, Blake?
What happened was Andrew forgets I'm dirt nasty low, takes me through this whole like parking lot all the way down there by the cookout. I come right at this point and I kind of follow him. The exhaust like bound on the ground basically.
Well, I saw ice cream there,
and I was kind of mad. I'm not gonna lie to you. Got a little tempered. Kind of threw it in reverse, kind of dumped the clutch with some gas to get it out of that situation. I kind of wanted to just like jump, like the uncrunch from the other night, basically. Because I really thought I just pulled my exhaust off. I guess I didn't do that. But then it came, car stalled, won't crank back up.
I wish we had a cold heater. Dead.
So we 26 or 27. Oh, look at both. 26 is PCM.
Aha!
Well, that thing's definitely fucking busted. That's all I know. 100% not good.
Well,
100% certified.
Well, buddy.
What?
This one just fried too.
Just like that, and plug it in?
Toasted. You got a ground or something? You got a short?
The one thing that I like looked at and was like, I don't need that, was the noise suppressor thing. It's for the radio or whatever. It's to like get like noise out of your radio, but it goes on the back of your head. It goes like grounds to the engine. And apparently power goes to it. I found it back there chilling, and it looked like it had some burn marks on it from where it was like maybe grounded on the firewall or something. When I pulled off, the car definitely shook a bunch, so it could have rattled everything around. The motor definitely torqued when I did that. So start this rig up. You can thank the internet for this. Check this out. This guy, back in 2006, had this issue. He goes, found it, noise suppressor on the back of the driver's side head. Yo, your boy James Parker found this problem in 2006, bro. It basically just wiggled enough to ground itself out. And this could have happened anytime. Driving down 95, it could have happened anywhere. And honestly, glad it happened now because we're kind of chill. We're not trying to get home. We're not on the side of the road.
It's not hot.
It's not hot.
Now we can still go get ice cream.
It's been a fun Mustang week, but we're headed home. As you can see, Bradley's got the old Celine, you know, loaded up. It was a great week. Headed back to Florida now. See y'all next year. All right, guys, just got into Georgia. So far made it out of South Carolina alive. Can you believe it? Car's running great again. I guess around here we know how to build an automobile. I don't want to jinx anything, but old girl's been good. Old girl's been real good. It's been a shelf for 6 months, and then I'm like, hey, you, it's time to ride to Myrtle. So it was definitely up for the task. All right, we're back in Florida, exit number 1, and we had a catastrophe. As you can see, I'm missing an idler down there. So basically what had happened was I was cruising down the interstate, just minding my own. All of a sudden, I like hear a rock hit the bottom of the car. I'm thinking to myself, like, what the hell just happened? Something hard hit the bottom of the car. And so I look down and I see I have no battery voltage. I'm like, yeah, blew a belt. So I look in here and I'm like, the belt's on. What the hell? And then I look down and I see that my idler is gone. So cheap bearings. That's what you get with cheap bearings. Not a big deal. We'll head over to an Advance, see if we can find an idler and swap that out and get home. All right, the O'Reilly's down the street had us. Got a Murray, baby. That's what's left of her. She cooked. That bitch got some heat in it still. Oh boy, I dropped that piece. But that's what's left of her. Now we slide this new unit on and tighten her down. We'll be good to go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got a stalker, baby. Run this on down there. Yep, just like that. Yes, sir. All right. Yep, we'll be back in business. Looks good to me. Home sweet home. Well, guys, made it home this morning, or actually this afternoon. Trip took a little bit longer. Had some altercations with my idler pulley, but that didn't take long to fix. Just had to find some tools that I guess I didn't have with me. Rip, but I learned some things, and yeah, we're good now. Yeah, we made it home safe and sound, and the car's definitely got a couple of quirks in here and there that we have to fix. We definitely have some body stuff that has to be addressed, but we'll get to it. We'll get it figured out, and we'll get the car better than ever. Soon the thing will be painted, so I have to decide what I want to do with the front bumper. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think I should go ahead and fast track the spray job on the car? Or do you think I should start focusing on things that matter in my life besides this stupid thing? Anyways, of course, we have the 95 sitting here, and it's just waiting to have some stuff done up to it. It's still in, you know, pretty stock configuration. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the Mustang Week content, leave a like. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more from me. I really enjoyed reading all the comments throughout Mustang Week. I really enjoyed meeting a lot of you guys as well. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video.